for the ultimate in snow plowing versatility and efficiency, choose the Power Plow Adjustable Wing Snowplow from SnowEx. At the touch of a button, you can expand the width of your plow and angle the wings forward or back, independently or together, to configure your blade in a variety of positions for maximum snow plowing efficiency. Available in 2 sizes, the 8100 Power Plow expands from 8 to a full 10 feet wide. The 8611 model goes from 8.5 to 11 feet wide. Use the compact mode for transport and plowing narrow areas. Expand the wings to make extra wide plowing passes. And to really move snow, angle the wings forward to put the Power Plow in scoop mode and carry up to 30% more snow with every pass. Unlike a V-plow, you can angle the Power Plow in scoop mode to carry snow around corners with minimal spill-off, reducing cleanup time. Create the perfect windrowing machine by angling the blade with the leading wing forward and the trailing wing extended to direct snow into the mold board, so you can take a full pass with minimal spill-off and get done in fewer passes. The trailing wing extends beyond the truck tires, helping to minimize cleanup. With all this versatility, the Power Plow will help you blast through your jobs up to 30% faster than with the traditional straight blade. Take a closer look at how it's built. The plow utilizes durable, high-strength steel components that are both lighter and stronger. The blade features 4 vertical ribs backed by a continuously welded torque box on the mold board, and 2 on the wings reinforce the blade to prevent twisting under heavy loads. SnowEx's high-performance multi-stage powder coat system provides a long-lasting, maintenance-free finish. And the full-trip mold board with 4 coil springs helps protect you, your plow, and your truck when unseen obstacles get in your way. The wings also feature built-in pressure relief to give upon impact. The 6-inch steel cutting edge provides tough, long-lasting protection for the blade and helps provide clean scraping action. And the steel cutting edge on the wing is tough and durable for extended wear. Robotically welded headgear ensures quality and consistency in every SnowEx plow that comes off the line. The easy-to-use intuitive handheld control allows you to control the wings independently or simultaneously for maximum operating efficiency. At SnowEx, all of our hydraulic components are designed and produced in-house, custom to each plow, and every unit is wet tested before it leaves the factory, so you can be assured of quality. The easy-to-remove cover provides quick maintenance access with no tools required, and the unit is low-mounted for unobstructed airflow to your truck's cooling system. SnowEx's direct lift system gives the Power Plow a super responsive full range of motion for efficient stacking and transport. And the easy on-off automatics attachment system provides fast and easy hookup. And the receivers provide exceptional ground clearance when the plow is off your truck. The SnowEx Power Plow is the ultimate snow plowing machine, adaptable to nearly any plowing application, so you can finish the job up to 30% faster than with a straight blade. Increase your efficiency and your profitability with the SnowEx Power Plow. SnowEx, built on your terms.